Hayden. I hope this isn't zoomed in. I know this is stupid. Okay, I guess it's not zoomed in. Look at Melanie, he got the haircut and he just pooted. And he's about to check it. I just changed his diaper not even 5 minutes ago. I was hoping he didn't poop, but if he did, I has no problem changing it. I don't know if anyone hears Colossal Saurus Rex right here snoring. I say Colossal Saurus Rex, meaning her snoring, because I come in earlier and I asked Eva not to go to sleep. And you went to sleep, Eva. I act like I'm talking to other people because I'm going to show this video to other people, but I go outside, go downstairs for a minute, and I told her I asked her not to go to bed. I said, stay up for a minute, just try. You leave the light on, leave the TV on, and she's like, alright, I'm going to get on my phone and I'm going to play on that for a minute. And I'm going to stay up for you, Levi. I was like, alright, baby, I love you, and walked out. I walk in, and she's in this exact same position, on her side, and at the time there was a pillow, and the sidebar over here was up, and the phone that I'm holding, that I'm videotaping on now, was on the pillow, and, oh, you just farted, didn't you? Where did you poop? I'll check that in a second, but, baby, I walk in on you, and you are sound asleep. You are straight up asleep. And I came in here. I started talking to you for a minute. I was like, "What are you doing? Are you asleep?" And you didn't answer me. You were full on asleep. So I walk outside in the nursery to check on Hayden because at the time he was taking his hearing test. And I walked back in. I guess I made some noise and woke you up. You woke up, I know you remember this. Like I said, I'm saying this for other people. You woke up and you were just mad. You weren't mad. You were just. I wasn't asleep. And I was like, baby, I was trying to explain to you, you were asleep. And I didn't care. I wasn't mad. You got an attitude? I don't mind. But it tickled me. I thought it was pretty funny. And I told you were snoring, and you said, I don't snore. And this is actually the whole reason why I'm taking this video, along with Hayden having the hiccups and Putin and stuff, but not trying to prove you wrong because I think you're cute right now, but listen to all that. Huh. Maybe you have to twitch your eyebrow. I love you, baby. Usually if I say something, she talks in her sleep. Alright, well, I'm out. I gotta change. We'll see if I have to change diaper. Say bye, Hayden. What time is it? It's just now 5 o'clock. I've been up this entire time. Yeah, I have, boy. I've been waiting on you hearing test. Make sure you can hear. He can hear in one ear, apparently. I don't know if it's his left or right one that he can't hear out of, but they keep telling me it's only one ear that he's not passing the test on. But he's not, let's see, how'd they put it? Okay, he didn't pass the test, but he is like, if he was trying to make an A on this test, he's at an 89. He's right, the last points of a B, He's almost there. They said he's got a little birth gunk in his ear. That's my way of putting it. They put it a different way. But anyways, I'm out. Time to change some diapers.